Oh, and show me what you want to do with your sweet baby bird if you get it for Christmas. Remember what you show Mama that you was going to do to it? You said you was going to feed it.
I can feed it and give it water.
Give it water.
And make it go potty.
And what else?
Make it rock it.
You going to rock your baby bird?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And I can make it get some exercise on our house when it flies. Wow.
Oh, it's going to get exercise by flying around in the house?
Mm-hmm.
Wouldn't it poop all over the place if it did that?
Mm-hmm. Poop outside.
What if it goes outside? Will it fly away?
I have a cage to poop in there.
Oh, you have a cage? Yes, you don't poop in the cage.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't think you should bring your baby bird outside. He might fly away.
But you have to stay in the truck forever.
You have to stay in there forever.
Don't open the door when it's next to you. And if it's next to you, I'll get it.
Mhm. Show me how you would rocky him. What do you think the baby bird would do if you rockied him? Would he just, like, go night-night?
No, you go kiss me.
He'll kiss you.
And go night-night.
Mhm. So every night before bed, you're going to rocky your baby?
Mm-hmm.
Your baby bird?
And put it in a cage.
And put him in his cage?
Mm-hmm.
What about singing him a lullaby?
He can't be still, because...
They can hear.
But when the boy sleeps, he can't hear me.
You might need to sing him a lullaby, though, to get him to go to sleep. Which one do you think would be good?
Jingle bell?
Jingle bells?
Huh? Jingle bell can sleep.
You think birds like jingle bells?
Uh-huh. Like, but, because he's going to be in a present, and he's going to be in a cage.
Mhm.
Jingle bell's going to play a cage for it. The elf's going to make a cage for it.
The elves are going to make a cage for it.
But if the elf's going to make a bird, I'll buy a bird.
They might buy one. I don't think they can make animals.
Yeah. They have...
That's a good question. Very good question.
What?
If the elves were going to make the bird. That was a good question. I think maybe they just buy them.
Yeah, they don't buy them at
pet store.
No, at a
bird store.
A bird store. A bird pet store.
Okay.
They put birds. I want to get a red bird.
A red bird?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of bird?
With stripes on it. I mean, I want to get a blue bird with stripes on it.
Is that like a parrot?
No.
You want one that talks?
No. I just don't want this. I don't want one to talk. That's going to be weird.
Weird. Parrots can talk.
But they're going to be on your shoulder.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
And they're going to be on your shoulder. They're going to make that noise. And I'll just wake up and I'll just let it fly away outside.
What?
I'll do that.
Then you would lose your bird.
I want to get a bird with blue...
Why are you going to let him fly away outside?
I want to get a black bird with blue stripes on it.
Black with blue stripes?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be crazy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've ever seen a bird like that.
It'll be cute.
It'll be cute.
5.
You want just one bird?
Yeah.
Just one. Okay. We'll have to put that on Christmas list, okay? When we do that today, we'll make a list, okay?
How can I know that?
Because we make a list for them. Okay.
Do I have a real bird and put it? No, I want to call him. Okay.
You want to call him?
Hmm?
We can do that.
How
I know his number.
What's his number is?
1-800 Santa Claus.
1-800 Santa Claus.
Okay. So bye.